The pipette filling device is an easy-to-use alternative to traditional bulbs. The pipette filling device allows you to use 0.1 all the way up to 100 milliliter pipettes. The 0.2 micrometer PTFE filter, which comes with the kit, keeps aerosol contaminants out and also prevents liquid from going back into the device. You can also get replacement filters. You can also buy a 0.5 micrometer filter as well. The collet allows you to have a tight fit for any size pipette, and it will hold it very securely even when they are wet. When fully charged, you can use this for up to 8 hours, and the charging cord is included. On the back of the unit is a control knob where you can adjust the speed in which you either aspirate or dispense liquid. So let's go through a demonstration of how you can control the speed of the aspiration or the dispensing. So I turn this all the way over to the fastest speed, and I'm going to be depressing the top knob and I'm going to draw up the liquid. Now to dispense, if I press the bottom button halfway, you get a gravity-fed dispensation. If you press it all the way down, you engage the pump and the motor and dispense it more quickly. Now I'm going to go all the way to the other extreme and go very, very slowly. Again, the top button draws up the liquid, and you can see this is much slower this time. But you still have the same options. If you depress it halfway, gravity makes it dispense, or press it down all the way. You will get about 8 hours of use on this, and the LED light on the top will flash if you are starting to be low on charge. Additional accessories that you can purchase is the convenient holding stand that will hold the pipette device when not in use. You can also get additional filters, both in the included 0.2 micrometer and also 0.45 micrometers. As you can see, the pipette filling device is a convenient and easy to use alternative to traditional bulbs. With the versatility of pipettes that you can use, the long battery life, and the ease of use, this will be a very useful addition to your laboratory.